Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up? What's good? How are you guys doing? Happy New Year to you guys. I haven't said that yet in one of my videos because I recorded videos and I don't think I'm gonna post it and blase blase, but that's besides the point. So in today's video, I will be doing this requested look from one of my wig install videos. Actually, I had recorded this look and I lost all the audio footage to it. I'm sorry for the background noise, like a bird, I don't know, something outside. Anyways, I had lost the audio footage to that video, so I wasn't able to actually post it, unfortunately. So I just went ahead and I recreated the look for you guys, and this is the final result. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching, stay tuned. You know, before we get into the video though, I got short nails, you guys. Can you believe it? Like, this is my second short nail set. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. Let's get into it. Today's makeup look is gonna be the makeup look that I did in this video right here. I'll pin it up here or up there, I don't know, where I had this nice stunning red lip. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I am going to be completely honest with you guys. That makeup is so long ago, like it's like 4 months ago. I don't really remember exactly what I did, and I'm so mad because I remember recording the video, like the actual makeup tutorial to that, and losing the audio files. That's what happened. So I'm just going to give you guys a new look with a red lip. So that's pretty much it. I am going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, so let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I did my brows the best that I could. I'm gonna try to blend them a little bit more in the front as soon as I get to the bronzing part, but for now we're gonna go ahead and do my eyes. Knowing myself, I'm pretty sure I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, so that's the first one I gravitated towards today too. So I'm going to take a blending brush. Okay, so I'm going to go into the shade that's called Rustic, which is this shade right here. I'm going to use Rustic, and I'm going to use this one, Cypress something, something, something. And then I'm going to use this shade right here. And obviously, the look is not going to look exactly the same today as that day, just because of the fact that that day I had just got my lashes filled. And my lashes are 5 weeks old today, so you know, I don't have as much lashes as I had that day, and these are also longer than the lashes that I had that day. That is definitely going to play a huge part in how the eye makeup looks today, but I know that this is exactly what I did that day. I just know. I don't know how I know, but I know. We are going to go in with a smaller blending brush. And we're going to go into the darkest brown shade, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to put that on the V, outer V of my eyes. I'm going back in with the first blending brush that I used just to like blend out right here, because I put way too much of the dark one. I just have to blend that out. Blend, blend, blend. So now I'm going to go in with the shade that's called Burnt Orange. I don't know if I want to do Burnt Orange or this one, Baking Orange Soda. Not baking soda, orange soda. I'm actually going to go in with Orange Soda instead of this one. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. On a flat brush. It's like a flat fluffy blending brush, I don't know. Okay, so then I'm just going to brush out my lash extensions, what I have left of them. I guess that if I were to actually go outside, like if I had somewhere to go right now, I would put on some falsies like on top of my extensions, but I'm not gonna do that just for the video. So I'm going to prime my face with the No Pore Blend Prime Essence from Touching Sol. Okay, so that was basically that for the primer. Then we're gonna go ahead and do our concealing, under eye concealing. Okay, so I'm using the OFRA Cosmetics. This is the Deep Corrector Wheel. You guys know this is like one of my favorite concealers. It's becoming, it really just turned into my favorite concealer ever since I got it. So I've said like Happy New Year in 2 videos already, but I haven't posted them, and I feel like I'm gonna post this video before I post either of those videos. So let me just say Happy New Year's, because I haven't said it yet, I guess, on my channel, actually formally. I hope you guys are having a great start of 2022. Yo, it's so crazy how we've been in this pandemic situation for 2 years. Like, go home, please. Please, COVID, please just go home. Corona, Miss Rona herself needs to get it popping, get it on and popping, like leave. And it's like nothing is going back to normal. Like nothing is going back to normal. I had a good start of 2022. I had a good beginning of the month. For sure. A lot of the things that I had planned for this month didn't go as planned, but that's besides the point. All of those things are out of my control, so I'm just going to worry about what I can't control. Other than that, I've just been like focusing a lot on like me. Like, what am I going to do this year that'll make me happy? Like, I'm just kind of setting my goals like with the right intentions, I guess. I don't know. So I feel like February things are gonna take off. Like, I feel like that's when things are gonna take off. But I don't know, we'll see. I want to try to vlog more this year as well. Like, I really want to try to like put more of my everyday life personality, like include that more on my channel. I feel like I haven't really gotten there yet. So, but we'll see. Again, there's like so many things I want to do, and I just want to do them the right way with the right intentions and everything. So I'm kind of just, I'm vibing right now. Like right now it's just like makeup and vibes, you know? Like I don't really know exactly what I'm doing. I just know that I'm doing something. So I'm going to go in with my, this is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. You guys know that whenever I want a flawless base, this is my baby right here. And I'm in the shade 625 Cool Golden. So I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand. Literally just like a pump. You do not need more than a pump. I'm just using a kabuki brush. I really just one day became a brush girl. That is so crazy. I used to do all of my face with a sponge, like my whole face. I would do it with a sponge, except for obviously, you know, my eyeshadow, my brows. But anything liquid, anything that I could put on my face, wouldn't even think about it twice. Baby, of course. Sponge, what? You don't have a what? Yeah, that was me. I was that girl. Yeah. So then I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in C14. I'm pretty sure I didn't use this that day, but I want to use it today. I'm just gonna blend that out with my brush or your sponge, whatever you prefer to use. I like to put my contour like kind of high up. I don't like to put it too low down, because the lower it goes, the chubbier I look. And that's not what I want. That's not what I want, at least. Okay, so I'm going to take my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. And I'm just going to put that right here. I'm just putting a little bit, not too much, and this is in the shade Neutral. So I went ahead and washed my sponge because it was looking very much so, it was giving filthy, and we don't want that. So I'm going to go back in with the blending brush that I used earlier for the other concealer. I'm just gonna blend that out with the brush. So I let that sit for a little bit, very dramatically, you know, like it's very there, but we're gonna fix that in a little bit. I'm gonna take my powder concoction because it's not so bright. I'm gonna put a little bit on the top right here. If you just cleansed, washed, whatever, your beauty blender, then get some product on it. Don't use it like this. You don't want it too clean, like, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation, literally just like a little dot. And I'm just going to get my beauty blender, you know? Then I'm gonna dip into the powder on here. I'm just gonna put it on my hand like that. So now I'm gonna use this and I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. So that goes a little trick for y'all, because if you use a clean beauty blender, it's going to pick up all, y'all see the difference? Please tell me you see the difference. Here and here. Like, it's still bright, but it's blended. So the thing is, if you use a super clean beauty blender, it's going to pick up all the product because it's liquid or cream, whatever type of product you're using. It's just gonna pick it up. Instead of blending it out, it's gonna pick it up. And considering that I have another layer of concealer underneath that is blended, it's going to just pick it up. And then you're gonna go back in to the powder concoction or whatever setting powder that you're using. I've already told you guys the powders that I have in here as of right now. It hasn't changed since I actually made the video about my powder concoction. Like, it has not changed. Those are the exact same powders that I still have in here. Haven't added any new ones or anything like that. I'm taking a little bit of powder, setting my under eyes, and I'm tapping the powder in, as you guys can see. Like, I'm not leaving any excess powder on the skin, if that makes sense. I don't know if what I'm saying is making sense. I hope it is. I'm gonna keep using the beauty sponge, and I'm going to set this part right here, but I am not taking it further than that. I'm gonna blend this out, remove the excess. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead with the bronzing part. So I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in medium. I hit pan on this a long time ago. This is one of my favorite bronzers, like, of all time. I love it. It is a very pigmented product, so you do not need a lot at all. So then I'm just going to go in with my sponge, no product, just what's on there. And I'm just going to go dab the middle of my nose, so the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to take my lip liner from MAC, and this is in the shade Ruby Woo. So my favorite liquid red lipstick is from MAC, and it is the Feel So Grand. I love this. I love this, and I keep repurchasing it all the time. So basically what I'm doing now, I'm taking some of my foundation that I still have on my hand, and I'm just cleaning up my outline. So now for the last step, I'm going to go in with my highlighter. So this is the OFRA Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive. If you don't know, I'm in love. I'm in love with this highlighter, okay? I love it. So I'm just gonna go in with my brush. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Period.